So today, I am gonna follow Mr. Bob Ross tutorial. I am so excited.
It's already there. Without cleaning the brush. Right into at least a touch of it into your pepper. It's very transparent. Allowing that red that was already in the brush to mix with the yellow. Right above the red. Small crisscross strokes, X's. Just blend off. Just to clean off the brush down. You don't care. Whatever. And a little bit of my favorite blue. Really just mix it together. This guy. Just go back and forth. Right down into there. Excellent. Black in there, just a gray element. I just changed my mind, decided I want to put a little cloud in here. When you're doing this at home, I would really advise you do it before you put your background trees in, so you get a lot of trouble. Let's go back up here. I tell you, I'm having so much fun with these little trees. There's one. He lives right there. Right there. Okay. We don't want him to get lonely. Let's give him a friend. His friend lives there. All we're doing is just tapping. If you had trouble making your paint stick, add a little more of the paint thinner. but it gives you a feeling of the lay of the land, and it gives you a starting point. Just create all kinds of happy little things. There comes one. I see one right there. Bend it out over. And then let's have some fun, make some big decisions. What else do we want in here? Maybe. Just the corner of the brush and tap. As you work down the tree, add more pressure. Tap harder and harder. Make those bristles bend downward.